Kevin with ManKitchenRecipes. Got home a little late today, but that's okay. We were just going to do some hot dogs anyway. And this is just to show you that you don't have to smoke everything. You can just grill stuff. We like our hot dogs with a little burnt, a little black to it. So I'll get these on here in a few minutes. And we're going to throw some, my pellets are, I got enough in there. I'm going to use the hickory pellets that are in there. Alright, so I got the grill set at 250. There's our all beef hot dogs. Let's see if I can get these on here. Yeah, I can do it. I was going to put them all on. Hold on. We'll just add them one at a time. So hot dogs, it's no big deal. I'm just going to show you, you can grill them like you can in a propane grill. It's one of the features of the Pit Boss. One of the reasons why I ended up purchasing the Pit Boss. Now I have tried to smoke hot dogs. I've put them in at 225 for an hour and a half, I think. And they didn't get any smoke ring or anything, so I had to try it though. We're just going to grill these. I'm going to let them warm up a minute, and then we'll open up the minutes anyway. Go ahead and open this up. Flame down in there. That's just like the flame you have in your propane grill, just about. So we're going to let those cook up over the flame. Alright, it's been a couple of minutes. I did close it up, just let it heat up a little bit. Let the hot dogs get a little brown. Just going to roll them a little bit. I won't make you watch the whole time. About 5 minutes. Like I said, if you've ever done hot dogs on your propane grill, it's the same thing. You gotta watch them, rotate them, move them around. Sometimes I'll just move them from one spot to the other just to kind of share that heat down there, share the love. Looking good. Looking really good. Alright, I think I'm going to get a little bit more char. I'm going to call it. Oh, those look good. Pull those off. There you go. I'm not going to bore you with putting them in a bun. You know what a hot dog looks like. I can guarantee these are delicious. We're going to take them inside and eat them up. That's it. That's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll keep them coming.